Hello, we're going to make a mask out of a bandana, and it'll protect you while you're at the grocery store or out and about town walking and being in public. You get a bandana, 2 rubber bands, medium-sized rubber bands, not too big, not too short. You start by laying your bandana out flat and folding it from the bottom towards the top, about 2.5 inch folds, like so. You get to the top and fold it over like that. Now you put 1 rubber band on one end, like this. Come in towards the center pretty far. Same on the other end, like this. Now, fold the 2 ends towards each other. Take one end and stuff it in carefully into the fold of the other end. Put it in pretty deep, like so. Now, you move your rubber band so that it's over the fold of where you stuffed the ends together. Make sure that you have both ends covered by your rubber band on my left, on your right. And then move the rubber bands so that, like that, and then put your mask on, like so, and move it around so that you got everything covered, and you're done.